I don't think I'm back by popular demand. I just keep showing up. So years ago when my son asked me, he said we should do some videos. And I'm like, yeah, all right, let's give it a shot. I don't know, people seem to enjoy it, I guess. I guess the intent was to, promote product, but when you only have one, you're not really promoting it, I guess. I don't know, I'm more about spreading information on cool plants. And the one I got in front of me, everybody knows forsythia. And some people know cornelian cherry dogwood, several little witch hazels like Arnold's Promise. They're all what we would call harbingers of spring. This is a lesser known plant. Its senior is Corylopsis spicata, and this is Corylopsis pauciflora. And it's a low flowering, semi-dwarf shrub, probably 4 to 6 feet. And its claim to fame is now. I mean, it's just opening. The flowers are just opening. They are highly fragrant. Prefers some shade because it's in the witch hazel family. So it will prefer some shade. You could grow it in full sun. Best in more natural settings like, wooded, a border along the woods, or, maybe an informal bed. But this is its time to shine. It blooms for a week and a half, 2 weeks, and then it's just a green shrub. So if you're looking for something unique, and that's a true harbinger of spring, Corylopsis pauciflora, and again, 4 to 6 feet tall, probably about the same in width. Doesn't like heavy clay soils, not a lot of problems. So I wish I could say the same for me. So it's a really hip plant. So if you want to be a hip person or a hip gardener, you might want to try this. Another common name is buttercup. And like I said, the flowers are fragrant. No real interesting fruit. Fall color is just sort of a pale yellow. You're putting it in the garden as a plant enthusiast for this flower and this time of year.